Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to save cloud rendering outputs. Get rendering outputs. Step 1. Check the render results. Step 2. Once you receive the notification email, you can check the results in Render Gallery. Step 3. The Render Gallery website will open. Click View Project. Step 4. Click the rendered thumbnail image. Click Post-Processing to change the exposure level and color balance. Step 5. Click Download icon. Click JPEG. Step 6. If you need transparent background, for Photoshop, click PNG. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to save cloud rendering outputs. Thank you.